Okay. So look, guys, I got these wings. To hanging with Stephanie. Today I got my boy with me.
Hi.
What's your name?
Khalil.
Okay, so today we are doing the
duct tape challenge. And now, since she don't want to introduce me, I'm introducing the man, the myth, the legend, so I can tape those hands together. So, it's your boy came up with.
Alright, let him finish. Come on over here, boy. What do you want?
It's your boy came up in this building. Alright.
Alright, so we'll be right back. We're going to get our hands taped and then we'll be back.
No.
Okay. Hey guys. What I forgot to say was this was the PR gang, which is Prissy P and Rashawn and Steph and Tasha. They did a virtual collab together, which was 8 wings, 8 minutes, no thumbs. So I just got finished doing that challenge. So I just wanted to put this at the beginning. I know I put it at the end, but I don't remember putting it at the beginning. So if it's not there, at least I have something to fall back on. So let's look and see what happened.
Your hands are nice to tape now.
Okay, we're taped. Now, are you ready to get started? Look, y'all. We had to open up our waters before. But
my tops are already off.
Well, mine's aren't. Cameron, take these tops off.
I got you.
She's gonna have to try to open this at the end of the video.
Move. Take the top off. See, that's too much. Why didn't you do it on camera so they could see you take it off?
Here, take this one.
Because I have to set on the table to do it.
Here, take
okay,
this one
please
off.
don't spill this.
Take this one off on camera.
Hold
up, let me get around here.
Look.
He's using claws. What is this man doing?
So, it's still taking it off.
Did you do it?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Well, did you drop it?
No.
Oh. Alright, so.
Let's see if they can open this one.
No, we're not doing that. Bye. Okay, so get your timer together. Let me see your timer. And look, y'all, we got 8 wings. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the first 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And you got 8 wings, Colin? We got plates on the side to put our bones on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. Alright, so is your timer ready?
Yup, timer ready.
Let me see. Show them the timer.
How?
Put it right up there. You gotta put it closer. Okay, 8 minutes. So now we're gonna start it.
Alright, countdown.
Okay.
Alright, countdown.
We gotta do 8 wings and either 8 minutes or less.
Challenge started. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
This is some good feeling.
Got you over here. Your wings are the only thing going down there. Eat up here, Khalil. Your bones are the only thing going down there, so put your chicken up. Come on, boy. What's this now?
6:30. 6 minutes 30. Got it.
How many you got left? 5? I got 5 left. What time is it? We got 5 minutes left. So we on that a win. I gotta get rid of that.
I heard it.
I ripped my finger. Did you drop it?
We have 4 minutes left.
Okay. I'm kidding you.
We got 3 minutes left.
You gotta be finished chewing, completely chewing.
Two minutes left. 1 minute go. Done.
Okay. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
30 seconds left.
Mm.
20, 19, 18, 17. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ah!
Did you finish?
I'm done now. I had that little bit left. Oh man.
And you said.
So all these were bones. Show your bones.
Let me take out these
Ow. Show your bones. He cleaned them bones, y'all. Did you like that challenge? Look at my shirt. Oh, y'all can't even see it. You want your thing taken on?
yeah.
You can just bite it. Oh, you can pull it. So, this is a challenge. It's called the
Okay, ow.
It's called the No Hand Challenge. It was the PR gang that did it. Prissy P and her husband Rayshawn. And also Steph and Tosh did it with him. It was a virtual collab. I didn't say that at the beginning. I'll throw in a clip at the beginning, but yes. So this was a challenge that they challenged everybody to. So I decided to bring my baby along and let him do it with me. And he's going to do another challenge with me too that y'all might want to see. You want to do another one, or you want to wait a while? Not now, but probably probably over the weekend, not during the week.
Yeah.
But we'll see y'all later. If you like this video, thumbs it up. Thumbs up the video. Do you want to say anything? How was the challenge? Was it easy?
Yeah, it was kind of easy.
It was kind of easy.
Yeah, it was kind of easy.
Okay.
Because of
Whatever.
the technique I use.
Okay, whatever. All
You're
right.
just bad at this.
Huh?
You're just bad at this.
Who was?
You.
Whatever. Anyway,
I was
so
in the lead.
I couldn't swallow never mind. Anyway. Why you look at me like that?
What?
Anyway. Thumbs up the video. Stop. Thumbs up the video. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And what else?
I can't get my...
Hit the bell to be notified every time I put up a new video. And I'm doing Vlogmas, so please watch my vlogs as well. I'm doing Vlogmas, and it's actually been fun. I've been getting out doing stuff and showing y'all stuff. But see y'all later. Thanks for watching.